We were able to punch out the holes, put this panel on. Once the panel is on, then you can turn on the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3. Without the panel on, it actually didn't turn on. So right now, they're making it look pretty, and then we'll be able to slide the battery in here and connect it, and we should be home free using the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel. We got the cover right there. It's gonna look really good. So there it is, covered up, looking very, very, very nice. Right there, EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 with 32 circuit. Finally installed in my very own house. And as you can see, we have lights, we have power because we have the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 fully up and operational thanks to these guys right here. We got Jack and we got Mike, and they are local in the Bay Area, so if you need their help to install something like this, they do residential, they do commercial, they do a really good job, and they are professionals and they are great at what they do. So I highly recommend them. I love the way they work. They're prompt, they are very detail oriented, and they got the job done in record time. I am so impressed. We got all this done in one day. We installed the Smart Home Panel 3, the 2 batteries, the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X wired up. I mean, the bulk of the job was just installing the Smart Home Panel 3 because that was a lot of work. And if you saw the previous video, inside there was square deep circuit breakers they had to install. They had to make sure the wires were able to reach all the circuits, even though this panel is much bigger than the sub panel that I replaced. They had to rebuild out the wood here, put the new drywall in, make it longer, make it wider. I mean, all the work, and you see, beautiful. I mean, there's just so much work that goes into this. I'm super happy. Pretty soon, we'll be able to connect the batteries and see how all the smart feature works, but we are on the home stretch, guys. This is looking so good.